So today we're going to combine several skills that we've already learned. We're going to open an image and create a grid. Then we're going to use the lasso tool and we're going to draw every other box. Then we're going to go to Edit, Paste Special, and Paste Into. This will automatically convert it into a layer mask, and then we can do a really cool effect with that. My canvas is 8 by 10. I want to go ahead and go to View and Ruler. Right now it's in pixels. If I want inches, I can just right click in there and do inches. Since I have 10 of these, I'm going to draw my boxes every other inch. And since the height is 8 inches, I'm just going to divide that right at 4. To draw the grids, I can just click over here at the end and draw it over. Outside of this may take a little bit longer, so instead I'm going to do every 2 inches. So I can just click in the margin and pull right over. And I already did my middle point, but if I wanted to, I could just click here and drag down. And that would give me another guide if I needed to use it. I can also just go to View, New Guide, and this one I want it to be at 8 inches. And then my final one, I can go to View, New Guide. This is going to be horizontal, and I'm going to want this right in the middle, so it's going to be 4 inches. Now, in Photoshop, I want to make sure I'm saving my work after every couple steps as well. Okay, so I'm going to hold my Shift key down as I try to go ahead and get my different sections. Okay, so now I've got my blocks with the ants marching. I'm going to do Edit, Copy, or Control-C. Then I'll do Edit, Paste Special, and then I will do Paste Into. Okay. Now here's the neat part. Now when we go over here and we look at our layers, we can see that we automatically have a new layer mask, and it's right here. Okay, so I make sure I'm on my Layer 1 thumbnail, and now I can click, instead of Normal, I can go to Color Burn, Dodge, Darken, Screen, and I can do a lot of different effects with that, with the vivid lights. Okay, so that's just a really quick way where you can see kind of exactly how you can use multiple items that we've already learned, how to set up a grid, how to use your lasso tool, how to make a marquee, how to edit and paste. So again, just to recap, I've got my photo here. I went to my image size and made sure it is 5 by 7. Okay, now I can add in some quick guides, and I can go to View and a New Guide, and I need to decide how many I want here. So I've got my grid set up with every inch. Now I can use my rectangle marquee, and I can do exact ones, or I can just kind of randomly pick some different ones. And if you notice, as I'm drawing, I can also check in here and make sure as I'm drawing the rectangle, or excuse me, the square, it is a perfect inch. And similar to the rule of thirds, oftentimes The best pictures are the ones where it is not exact. Okay, so I've got my different items here. Now I want to do edit copy. Then I want to do edit paste special, paste into. Okay, so now I can see right here over my new layer mask, my options. And then I can go and I can play around with different layer masks. Okay, and remember, if you want to take the grids off, all we have to do up here is go to under View and Clear Guides. So now when we go through and look at this, we can kind of get some different ideas about what would look really great. Another thing that I can do is once I have mine here, I can go under the Adjustments layer and I can do a really quick adjustment. I could just do black and white. So then only certain panels are black and white and the rest are in color. And I can do that with the layer mask. I can Control Z and undo. I could also go and perhaps adjust the hue and saturation. Okay, with the levels. And again, it may help you to either keep the guides on or to turn the guides off as you kind of work with that. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different options that we can do till we get it just right. And the last bit on this, I want to add a border. So I'm going to do Control A. For all. And then I want to go to Edit and Stroke. And maybe I could start with about 50 pixels, or this is a 5x7. Okay, and I can click the color once, and then come over here to the eyedropper. I really want to get one of those kind of vibrant orange yellows in there. Okay, and now we have a great looking border.